This is how to make money with ySense survey app in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make money doing microtask jobs online with ySense app. My name is John from Ask JOFA channel. I review different businesses and programs that accept and pay Nigerians. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell. It will help you to know whenever I publish my new videos every week. Use the links below the description of this video. It's going to help you to navigate to different websites that can help you make money online in Nigeria. But to the topic of today, how to make money doing microtask jobs on ySense app. This is a job you can do with your phone, tablet or computer system. All you need is to download the app and start working. You can work with this app at home, on transit, where you're at work on break, and at any time of your choosing. You don't need any experience or qualification to start using this app to make money. If you can use smartphone, you can earn minimum of $10 every day working with this app. Do you know the good thing about this app? This app will pay you directly to any bank account in Nigeria through Pioneer. Ensure to use my Pioneer link to sign up so that Pioneer can give you a gift of $25. It is important for you to know that this microtask app cannot make you rich. This is why I'll be taking you through how I make money online via affiliate marketing. Towards the end of this video, you will learn how to start affiliate marketing online in Nigeria that will help you earn passive income. Therefore, I'll be taking you through how to sign up. I will show you the inside of this app and different tasks you can do to start making money even right now. So let's do it. This is ySense website. You can see the amount I've made within short period of time. So you can make $10 daily, $5 daily doing microtask jobs on this website. The good thing about this website is that you can cash out and withdraw your money directly to any bank in Nigeria in dollar or and any way you want it. Let me show you. These are different ways you can cash out, but the challenge is that you can't cash out through all this medium. The only way you can cash out is through Pioneer. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of my video. If you use that link, Pioneer will give you a gift of $25. Ensure you read the condition before you sign up. As soon as your earnings is up to $25 on this platform, you can use Pioneer to collect your money. If the amount you've earned on this platform is up to $25, $52, $102, $252, you can cash out directly to your bank account in Nigeria. Just ensure that you open dollar account in Nigeria and link your Pioneer to it as soon as you register. But how do you make the money? Let me show you. Look at it. These are different ways to make money doing different microtask jobs on this website. You can take survey. You can get paid for trying new products and services. That is by downloading apps, signing up to products on website, watching videos. You get paid on this website. You can also refer your friends and family members. You can download browsers add-on. Look at it. Complete survey and earn cash. So these are the surveys available for me to do. The truth is that surveys here will not make you much money, but if you are consistent and doing them, small money like this will add up to bigger money. So all you need to do is to unlock this and take the survey. Don't lie about your survey so that they will not kick you out. So these are different offers that you do. Participate in products and services like you earn $150 if you can sign up and deposit $100 in this crypto.com. It's a forex and cryptocurrency trading platform. If you deposit this amount, they will give you 15,000 cents. That is $150. If you sign up to this product, they will pay you $35 for signing up and following this instruction. If you use this VPN and do what they ask you to do inside here, this website will pay you $40. So these are money you can make fast and you get it directly to your bank account in Nigeria. You can also share your link. All you need to do is to copy your affiliate link and start sharing it on various social media platforms with your friends, family members, and social media audience. Sign-up commission will earn you between 10 cents and 30 cents, and activities commission will earn you 20%. If you also download any of this browser and use it on your system, you will get paid for doing that. So if you come to this forum to share your experience of this platform, interacting with other micro job seekers from different countries, this website will pay you. So this is how to earn in dollar, making money with ySense online from Nigeria. Thank you. You now know how to make money doing microtask jobs on ySense app. All you need to do is to download the app and start working. And if you don't have the app, You can use the website. The good thing about this app is that you get your payment directly to your bank account in Nigeria via Payoneer. Don't forget to use my Payoneer link so that you can get your gift of $25 from Payoneer. I did a video of how to use your Payoneer sign up and your own link to start making money. Watch this video to see how you can use your Payoneer link to start making money right away, and you will also get your own $25. I earlier promised to take you through how I make money via affiliate marketing. I joined the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world in 2016, and I've been able to transform the knowledge I acquire to come up with multiple websites that have allowed me to partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and many other companies around the world. And now make money in dollars passively every day with this ySense survey app. You have to do the survey, watching the video, doing the microtask job before you get paid. With affiliate marketing, you just do the work once, and the job you do once can continue to make money for you for years. Watch this video. You'll be able to see and learn how to start learning with this company in Nigeria. You see how I joined. You'll be able to see my success story and success stories of many other people. Ensure you use my affiliate link to sign up. That is the only way I can see you inside the training platform to assist you and can guide you on how to start making money via affiliate marketing. It will be okay for you too if you can join my free affiliate marketing email training. Input your email and you'll be able to have a rough idea of how affiliate marketing works. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, click that notification bell. It will help to push this video all out for many Nigerians to watch it, and you'll be able to also know whenever I publish my new videos every week. Please help share this video. Drop your comment with questions. I will get back to you immediately. There are some other videos that I want you to watch. The first one is how you can use affiliate marketing to make $100 daily in Nigeria. Please watch that video. It's going to open your eye to see how people are making a lot of money online in Nigeria. While the second video that you need to watch is how to start with the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. You'll be able to see so many trainings and how you can join and start with them. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Bye for now.